Welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on how for you to make your weaving using your attachment. But this one we're going to start with ordinary weaving. Then you're going to cut the center of your hair. You cut it round. Then you are about to start to weave it now. The middle, you can part it with something if you know it is disturbing you. You can part it. So guys, let's start fully. We are about to go in now. I'm about to weave that off it. The same way I'm going to weave this part, the same way I'm going to weave the other part too. So now guys, watch. Let's see how it goes, how it's going to turn out. But I know this is going to be amazing because this is a new hairstyle that is so beautiful and very easy. It's very easy. If you can wash it, keep your eye closed and wash it very well, you will be amazed that it's very easy to make, guys. So guys, I'm still doing the other part of it now. Then after this one, we'll go in the middle, which is the vibe. The middle is the vibe, guys. So just take good look at it. Just look at what I'm about to do now. Take it easy peasy. Take it easy. Take a shift peel, double up in the heels, guys. Now look at it. I've cut that side. Now the same thing, you cut the other side, the same thing. It's like, how will I put it, clapping, but it's not clapping. Okay, the middle is like clapping, but it's not clapping. You just look at it, cut this side, same way I'm going to do to the other side too. It is very easy, guys. See, when you put your mind to learn something, it's very easy for you. But if you do not put your mind, you matter what, and if you make up your mind that, man, this time I'm about to learn, I know I can do it, you will definitely make it. But if you say, the hair is hard or I cannot learn it, you won't be able to learn it. So if you put your mind that this thing, I will learn it, definitely you will learn it. You will learn. Yeah, you will. Now I'm done with the middle. Now look at the way I'm dressing it now. Look at it very well. Can you see? Look at the way I just dress it now. I've not weave it in. Okay. So now this is where we are going to use our attachment to go in. It is not Ghana weaving. It is not less Ghana weaving. You understand? Can you see my hand? The one is still remaining. Then you go in. Yes. Then you weave it down. One is okay. You can use two. You can use one. I just use one attachment so that mine will be kind of full a little. You understand what I'm trying to say, guys? Wow, this is going lovely. I love what I'm seeing, guys. But we're not done yet. You see the real style I want to bring out now. Now let's still go in with our attachment. Yeah, you can see. I did not do Ghana weaving. I am not doing Ghana weaving, guys. This is not less Ghana weaving. Not less Ghana weaving. That is what I'm doing. That is what I am doing. As you can see, that is what I am doing. We are almost done, guys. Okay, now I'm weaving it in. The ones that are out, that I brought out, I'm weaving them in. You can see, guys. Is that not beautiful? Is that not fine? I love what I'm seeing. I'm loving it already, guys. I'm loving it. This is top notch. Gosh, this is wow. Can you see the middle? The middle is kind of, I love it. I love what I'm seeing, guys. I don't know whether you like it, but for me, I like what I am seeing. I don't know whether you like it, but for me, I love what I'm seeing. This is wow. This is lovely. Very easy to make. Very easy. You can see it's so easy. Then the other part of it, you can do it like you can use your gel to do it round, but I didn't make it. I just turn it around. You can see. Guys, see now. Oh yeah, look now. Look at her. This is fine. Bye.